So hello guys, welcome back to the new video. In today's video, I will guide you with how you can turn off background apps on Windows 11. So first of all, let's see how you can turn off individual background apps. So for this, open the settings app on your Windows 11 PC. For this, press Windows plus I key on your keyboard and this will open the settings app. Here, on the left pane, click on apps. Now on the right side, click on installed apps. Now in this list, look for the app for which you want to remove background app permissions. For example, let's select Intel Graphics Command Center. Click on the three dots next to it. Now click on Advanced Options. Now here, click on the drop-down menu under Background App Permissions. Now here click on Never. And once you do this, this will turn off background app permissions for this particular app. Now in a similar way, you can turn off background app permissions for all these apps individually. Now, if you want to turn off background app permissions for all the apps at once, then follow these steps. Right click on your desktop. Now here select New. And now click on Text Document. Now open it. Now here paste this code. You will find this code in the description. After this, click on File. Click on Save As. Now here select Desktop. Now type the file name background apps.reg. Now here reg means registry editor file. Click on Save. Now close this window. Now after this, double click on this file. In the USC prompt, click on Yes. Click on Yes again. And once you do this, restart your PC. And this will disable background app permissions for all the apps. So this way I can turn off background apps on Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And for more such videos, subscribe this channel. So, see you in the next one. Till then, bye.